Hey guys, today I created this purple and blue shimmers with some glitter on top, and I'm using the palette from Focallure. This is the 15 color eyeshadow Go Travel palette, and I have here HiPerth, and this has 6 mattes and 7 shimmers, 1 glitter or pressed glitter, and 1 unique and very unusual color like this one here. I think it's in the shade Pavlova. So if you want to see how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. finished look, and I just finished the rest of my face off cam. So I just added some lip gloss, and this is Rose Quartz from Focallure. It's my favorite lip gloss, and yeah, this is it. It's very shimmery and glittery purple and blue combination. I just have a little concern if you have this palette and if you are going to wear this pressed glitter that they have here. I really recommend you to to use your fingers and then press the glitter on top of your eyeshadow. Don't drag it, because that's what I did, and I noticed that these glitters can kind of like separate your eyeshadow. And yeah, I actually kept on applying the glitters and just pressing it, because if you're going to look closely, my eyeshadows right now, this eyeshadow right now, it's kind of like separating from each other, but I just cover it with the glitter. And it's kind of a bit, glitters can be a little messy and get very tricky to apply, but it's very pretty. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next